I've seen executives lose over $500,000, not in the market, but in the week their bonus hits their bank account. Look, bonuses feel great. They're a signal you're doing well, a reward for the long hours, a moment where it feels like all the hard work is paid off. But I've also seen bonuses become one of the most expensive financial mistakes high earners make. Not because they do anything stupid, just because they don't slow down and decide what that money is actually for. I'm LaRosa, certified financial planner, and over the years, I've watched executives lose hundreds of thousands of dollars in long-term growth. Not from bad investments, but from what they did with their bonus in the week it hit their account. Here's what usually happens. Bonus hits, and first the tax man takes a large chunk. And what's left sort of just blends into life. Maybe it helps justify a bigger house, a new car, private school tuition, better vacations. None of those things are wrong. I'd enjoy a nice luxurious vacation as well. But none of them build wealth. I like to view a bonus as different from your paycheck. It's one of the few times you receive a meaningful lump sum outside of your regular income. It's capital. And capital has options. The executives who build real wealth tend to treat bonuses differently. They decide in advance where that money goes before it even arrives. They allocate a portion towards investing, tax strategies, paying down high interest debt, or acquiring assets that produce income. Because once bonus money upgrades your lifestyle, it never compounds. In over a 10 or 20-year career, that one habit can cost hundreds of thousands and sometimes millions in lost growth. So my recommendation to clients is to earmark at least 50% of your after-tax bonus for some kind of wealth-building strategy. Whether that's investing in your brokerage account, paying down high-interest debt, completing a backdoor Roth, or even opening and funding a donor-advised fund to reduce tax burden. The important thing is to have a plan before the bonus hits your account. Now, if you're receiving meaningful bonuses and you want to see what those dollars could become instead of where they tend to disappear, I can help. I offer a free consultation where I can look at the big picture and see if there are any gaps. Just find the link in my bio and schedule a call.